Hey there, I'm Ken, this is CRT, welcome. One of the things I like best about when I started this channel is that I was able to get back into the electronics that I had when I was a kid. I got a ColecoVision, I got an Apple computer, and I've got, most importantly, my TRS-80 color computer. And I love it. But I've wanted to, one of the reasons I started the channel was that I wanted to expand my knowledge of all of the electronics from the time. And in video games, I now own the very first NES I've ever owned. I own a Atari computer now. I own an Intellivision. I own an Atari 2600. All things that I never had when I was a kid. And I always kind of thought that I wanted. But I also wanted to look into electronics that I maybe had never heard of before or had heard of but never paid any attention to. So I went on eBay a little while ago and I bought something. And it arrived today. It's right here. And big hint here, it's a computer. So I'm going to open this up and take a look at it. A TI99 4A. So let's open this up and take a look at it. As soon as I can figure out how to do that. More tape. All right, so what do we have inside here? Something for a calculator. Interesting. The TextNet pamphlet. Home computer accessory wired remote controllers, which are the joysticks, and asks for, it's a pamphlet for membership for the Texas Instruments Computer Advantage Club, warranty card, some instructions, and the instruction book for the game that is in here. Amazing is the name of the game. And here are said wired controllers. Okay, so they're a little grungy. This one's missing the rubber on it. Oh, they both feel okay. And here we have the power brick. Okay, well, we're going to have to test that out to see if it works. And here is the computer, as well as a couple of the stickers that go across the top. If you need to change those, and an antenna. So we'll set that to the side. And there we go. So what kind of shape is this in? Well, there's the cartridge. Amazing. The keys feel good. No dents or anything in it here. There's the side port. Looks like that. Here's the side port for it. Don't have any peripherals for it yet. Well, needs a little bit of cleaning, but otherwise it's in good shape. Yeah, no dents, no dings. A little bit of wear along the top here. You can tell was something sitting on it. But there we go. That is my latest computer. Now that we've opened up the box and taken a look at the computer, we will start testing things and taking it apart to make sure it is safe to plug in. So the first thing we will look at is the power pack. Okay, so on this, it's a 4-pin connector that goes into the computer. And this is pin 3, pin 1, pin 2, and pin 4. Between pin 1 and pin 2, there should be alternating current of about 18 volts. And here we go. And we're getting nothing. And between pin 4 and pin 2, there should be 5 volts, or 8 volts, sorry. And we're getting nothing there either. Okay, just hold on a second. I am going to look some stuff up. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to look at here is that there's this little piece that's added on, and that is something that was added onto these power packs to prevent an overvoltage going into the computer, I guess, from these things failing. Apparently they didn't meet FCC standards back in the 80s. So we will test out and see if this is working. I can get the lead to stay in there. Okay, plug this into the power bar. Give it power. .1 or 0.2 volts going through that. So doesn't look like this safety cord is working properly. Okay, well, let's try plugging in the power pack without the safety cord on it. Okay, and we have humming. Well, this power pack is definitely doing something, so let's check these voltages. .5 volts, so that's right. And 8.2. So, other than the humming, it's working without the without this thing. Now, how safe it is to run without this, I don't know, but for now, we'll use it like this to test the computer out anyway. And I'll try and maybe figure out a different solution for the power pack. Well, this seemed like as good a point as any to stop the video for today. We've got the computer unboxed, taken a look at it. It appears to be in really good shape. The power pack has been tested. It didn't work with this thing. I have no idea how important this is. Like I said, I don't know anything about these computers. I've never used one, never even seen one in my life, other than in videos. So if you know how important these are or unimportant, I'd love to hear about it down in the comments. But without this thing, the power pack is giving out exactly the voltages it should be. So is it safe to be running it without this? Is it good enough just to have it plugged into a power bar surge protector? I don't know. You tell me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next one, we are going to open up that computer and see how it looks on the inside. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, you can do the thumbs up, the commenting, the subscribing, all that stuff. Didn't like it, thumbs down. Just remember, anything that you say or do is always greatly appreciated. So I am going to go and set up for taking this thing apart, and I will see you next time.